अपना बच्चा कहे, पर सच्चाई तो बदल हो नहीं सकती।
अरे बच्चे कहाँ गए?
थोड़ी सी हिम्मत दिखाओ, हम बस पहुंचने ही वाले हैं। फिर जल्दी मैं तुम्हारे पैर पर दवा लगा देगी। मेरा पाँव बहुत ज़्यादा दुख रहा है कोर्सा। मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए कुछ है। ये लीजिए कोर्सा, तुम खाओ। मेरा आधा आपका आधा, ये लीजिए।
फ्लैश आ भाई कैमरा नीचे नो
नमस्कार, आई होप यू ऑल लव द एपिसोड। कैसा लगा आप लोग को एपिसोड, पहले मुझे बताइए। ऐसे ही बोल रहे हो कि ऐसे ही? मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैजिक मोमेंट्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, साइबिल दादा, साइबिल बैनर्जी और लीना जी, जिन्होंने मुझे पानी बाई के किरदार में मुझे चुना। और ये बहुत ही हटके, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो कि ये सिर्फ एक ग्रैंडियर या विजुअल वाला शो नहीं, उसके साथ साथ भी एक स्टोरी है, एक बैक स्टोरी है। और इसमें लीना जी ने एक कुछ अलग किया है कि हर एक किरदार को कैरेक्टराइजेशन के रूप में उन्होंने उभर के वो लेकर आए, जिसका नाम है दुर्गा। तो मैं अपने मित्रों से यही कहूँगी कि आप लोग प्यार बरकरार ऐसे ही रखना और हमारे शो को ऐसे आगे बढ़ाते रहना।
The choice was very difficult. Practically speaking, the character is very complex, very difficult to portray, and at the same time the look was also very important. So we tried, no artist is, all the artists are good. In Mumbai we came across for the role of this Pani Bai. Whoever has come, all the artists were good. I am not telling anybody is not good. But simply the look and the way she speaks and the understanding of the character, this I was not getting in any of the artists which we are selecting. So finally, when her interview came, her audition came to us, so I first liked it and I sent it to Leena ma'am also. So then we both decided that this is the man we are searching for. सुनता नहीं आपका तो बात। We are not getting the kind of look and the kind of understanding of this character which is going to gel with the character. We are not getting. So finally we got her auditions. So at the first week I thought, yes, this is what we are looking for. So then usually what happens is that I first screen here and then send it to the other for the final selection, because she is writing, she is also creating, visualizing, so it must gel with her. So at one go she said, no, you have find the correct person, so let's go for her. We had one veteran artist from Kolkata also. She was also equally good. But what happened is that also we were looking at the age group. we were matching the age group because Savitri Devi should be older than her and she should be young according to the story. हाँ, so सब मिला के इन्होंने हमको बहुत suitable लगा and she was apt look wise and understanding wise. She understood the character well. And after that, I didn't expect it so much. When she came for the reading, from then on, I started realizing that yes, she is doing some improvisation to the character, which she did. And she makes the character one step more ever. And in one word, I can say that she has stolen the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Magic Moments makes magic. You're a part of the magic. So can you tell us how it feels and something on Indira?
I think Indira ji has been one of the best casting decisions, and
We had a meeting also with Sanket and
so Indira ji has never done this kind of a role
Yes.
before, and that was something which she thought is very challenging, interesting, and something she wanted to do. And I think that has been one of the best decisions on the show.
How do you feel? How
I can go now. अब तो उनको ही लेंगे.
How difficult or easy? How difficult or easy is it for you to play this role?
सो बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर है ये बिकॉज हर एक सीन में मैंने एक अलग तरीके का शेड पोर्ट्रे किया है. हर एक कैरेक्टर के साथ पानी बाई बिल्कुल अलग बिहेव करती है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम उनका कंट्रोल एंड डोमिनेंस है उस घर में. सो इट बिकम्स अ लिटिल कॉम्प्लेक्स, बट येस आफ्टर आई सॉ दिस फर्स्ट 2 एपिसोड्स what I had conceived for Pani Bai वो बिल्कुल वैसे ही आएगा. And और भी I'm doing even more to make it outstanding.
There is one problem to this character. कोई भी एक्टर इसको ओवरडू कर दे सकता है. तो वही you have to know the limit till what I will go and where I will keep my limit. So that she has done perfectly.
Calcutta, you were like amazing home ground. But in Bombay, how have you managed to again 6 sixers in 1 over?
This is simply because we work from heart, we work for passion. That is the main reason. So I don't look into the finance in that way. So I've got a safeguard check post sitting in my right hand side. So he's the check post. So somehow from the very beginning this team gel. So he is the check post and I always overrule him. And as I told you, we work from our heart, we work from passion. So I believe from whichever region you are, you can succeed in any region if you work from your heart and if you work with passion.
Can you add to what makes Magic Moments so beautiful?
I think it is Leena Di's brilliant writing and the kind of efforts Saibulda puts in to passionately give those writing the right kind of visuals in terms of production quality, casting, all of it. So it's brilliant, kind of team. Leena Di and Saibulda, both the way they approach their work. Of course, it makes my life very difficult, but I have no escaping that.
Yeah, very good writing also without proper execution fails. So the combination of both is very important.
One last line from you, Indira.
I was telling Saibulda today that संकेत जी कि जब मैं ग्रीन वैली आती हूँ, अभी पहले झनक का सेट देखा, अब मैंने रब का सेट भी देख लिया, ये दुर्गा भी कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि धीरे धीरे ग्रीन वैली इज़ गोइंग टू चेंज इनटू मैजिक वैली and it is become Magic Valley. I am really honored to be associated ये production के साथ. हालांकि मैंने बहुत productions के साथ काम किया, लेकिन मैं praise करके नहीं बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन जिस तरीके का visual treatment, जिस तरीके का liberation for the production wise, even the artist wise that way, they have not told the artist कि आपको इस दायरे में ही काम करना है. So very liberally they've allowed the artist also to portray the character. I think that that is giving a lot of positivity to all the shows I've been watching of Magic Moments.
In fact,